Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review of Olixar's film screen protector on the iPhone 12 mini. Within the pack, Olixar have provided an extra protector for if mistakes are made during the installation or if the protector was to get damaged after its application. The handy twin pack will ensure you'll have a backup to provide immediate protection to your screen. Before starting, I would recommend turning off the phone, just so the screen doesn't keep activating during the installation process. All of the tools that will be needed to apply the film to your display will come with the protector. This includes wet wipes, a dust removal sticker, guide stickers, a microfiber cloth, an application card, and of course the film protectors. The first step of the installation process is to clean your screen. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any dirt and grease from the display of your handset. Then use the microfiber cloth to remove any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. Now, using the dust removal sticker, repeatedly dab the screen. This is highly important as you do not want any dust becoming visible between the film and the display post-application. Now, the second step of the installation turns our attention to applying the film to the display. Attach a guide sticker at both ends of the film. You'll then need to pull back the tab that is labelled 1. This will expose the adhesive side of the protector. Now lower the film carefully onto the display of your handset. Then with the application card, run it along the display to push out any bubbles. To complete the process, remove tab 2. Be careful when doing so as you do not want the film to lift with it. And there we are, the screen of your device is now protected by Olixar's film screen protector. As the film is so thin, it doesn't detract from the visuals of the marvellously engineered iPhone 12 mini. This invisible form of protection doesn't affect the response rate of your device. As you can see, I'm able to breeze my way through the newest features of the iPhone 12 series without any delays. As the notch is so carefully cut out on the protector, you'll face no obstructions when using face recognition. This is the perfect option for if you are looking for a protector that offers defense from scratches that occur from everyday use. Though if you are looking for something a bit more robust, a glass screen protector would be more ideal. Overall, when the protector is attached, it goes unnoticed on your screen and replicates the feel of the device's original screen, enabling your finger to run smoothly across the display of your phone. If you are interested in purchasing the Olixar Film Screen Protector, I've posted a link as to where you can find it in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.